You are listening to the Life by Design podcast by Rambi Baloy, where I share with you thoughts and ideas on how to achieve your goals and what it really takes to be happy and achieve great success in life. And in today's episode, I'll be sharing with you on how to take ownership of your life. You know, you are not limited by your abilities, but you are only limited by your mind. Most people are living a life below their potential, not because they don't work so hard, but they don't think. Their thinking habits keep them poor. They have a habit of thinking so small and limited, which keeps them living a small and a limited life. You can't be blaming your background and other people for not doing so well in life. I've seen folk blame their parents, background, their lack of education, lack of connection, lack of opportunities, and the bad economy. They've given up their power and their ability to change their lives around. They've exonerated themselves from being responsible for their own lives. You know, it's so easy to blame others and conditions for not doing so well than taking responsibility yourself. Once you start blaming external factors for your own circumstances, you replenish your power. You become a volunteer victim of circumstances without much power to help yourself out of your situation. The truth of the matter is, nobody owes you anything. No matter what your parents did or did not do, they did their best part to bring you to the world. For the rest, the onus is on you to make it happen. No matter your level of education or how disadvantaged you think you are, you must get up and go after your dreams. Stop blaming and start acting. The more you blame others for your circumstances, the more you don't act on your dreams. No matter what happened, take back the power and start acting on your dreams. Don't let your past ruin your present and hold you from reaching to your future. No matter what happened in the past, draw lessons from it and move on. You can't change what happened yesterday, but you can alter the direction of your future from today. It doesn't matter how you start, it only matters how you finish. You can change your story despite the fact that you did not have a good head start. Many successful people did not have the perfect wind blowing in their favor all the time, but they succeeded anyway. They refuse to be volunteer victims of circumstances. They take responsibility for their lives and they focus on doing what brings them closer to their goals. Take ownership of your life today. Design your life the way you desire to live it. Do what you love and pursue your dreams. Do the things that brings more happiness and fulfillment to you. You don't have to spend your life complaining about things. Take massive action and you'll be surprised how things can change for you. Disgust is a negative word with a positive connotation. It is an emotional response for rejection for something considered unpleasant. Unless you are disgusted by the way things are, nothing will ever change for you. Don't find comfort in unpleasantness. You can change it. Nothing is worth it if you are not happy. You don't have to be complaining each day. You don't have to be complaining about something that you can change. Nothing is worth it if you are not happy and satisfied. You don't have to be complaining each day about something that you can change. It's okay to make a change. Despite the uncertainties involved, I am sure nothing will be much more worse than the current situation. If you are not happy with your job, just change it. If you are not happy with your health, change it. If you are not happy with your lifestyle, it's the time to change. If you are not happy with your relationship, change it too. If you are not happy with your financial situation, change. You don't have to be stuck with something that you are not finding fulfillment and happiness from. But be sure to change yourself first, because you are the most important component in facilitating that change you desire to see in your life. Take charge of your life. You are the answers that you are looking for. You have the power within you to transform your life. You do have the power to create a better future for your life. Take ownership of your health, your relationship, your happiness, your career and finances. You can make your dreams a reality. You can achieve your goals. You can make a difference in the world You can be great. Take responsibility. Take action and do all you can to make your life better. You owe it to yourself to succeed, and nobody will ever come and hand it down to you in a silver platter. Get up and go after your dreams. Jim Rohn once said, you must take responsibility for your life. You cannot change the circumstances, the season, or the wind, but you can change yourself. Thanks for listening to the Life by Design podcast. Connect with me on my social media handles on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rambi Baloyi. Till next time, bye-bye.